Hi, I'm here with a new journal today. This is a larger journal. I tried to make it like the scrapbooks that I used to have as a kid. They were larger and they were made of thinner paper, and you used to paste all sorts of stuff in there, and they were really fun. And because there was a lot of room to put stuff in. And I bought some paper that was 17 inches wide by 11. And I tea-dyed it, and I ended up making this journal. So let me just take you quickly through it. I've got one of these little corner dangling bookmarks, and I have a video on my YouTube channel that shows how to make these, and there's a magnet in here so that it's not going to slide off the corner of your page. So I just have this as a little decorative embellishment on here, but you can use it in your books or you can move it elsewhere inside the journal. I've got a little ribbon tie, and these are some images that I had purchased, and they're peacock themed. I put a little bit of trim here, and for these large single signature journals, I like using a duct tape binding because it's nice and durable. So I've got this black duct tape along the edge, and it's just embellished with this trim. So there's the image on the back. And on the bookmark, I guess I should show this, there's a little pair of wings, a little key, and this little bead from a vintage necklace, and that's just hanging off of this little ribbon. So I will take you through it. There's not a whole lot of embellishments in here because this scrapbook is made to be customized. There's lots of room for stamping, lots of room for attaching mementos, so I didn't want to take up too much of the real estate on the page. So you can of course move some of these to other pages if you prefer. So I did keep the embellishments to a minimum. So as you can see, there's a lot of room for journaling and adding mementos. I will list this in my Etsy shop, and I'll include a link in the description of this video if anybody is interested. Have a nice day and happy scrapping. Bye.